Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Que Familia. In some of our previous shorts, we showed that my mom gave calligraphy lessons to some of her students, and during that time she completed a canvas. Along with her, all of her students followed what she was doing, and these are their canvases. It was difficult for her to capture all the steps, but she still managed to capture some of the most important steps, and we hope that you can understand what she did. First, she made the background, and she gave all her students an opportunity to choose whatever background they would want to do. Normally, my mom doesn't trace the calligraphy, but this time, since she had to show the students, she wrote the calligraphy with a double pencil technique. Here are some of the lecture notes, and here are the students' work. Now you can see the further process of the calligraphy canvas. We will add all the material details in the description box below. Here is the final look of the canvas. Here is my mom's and her students' finished canvases together, and despite having really less amount of lessons, we think they did really well. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!